Hello Makanku lovers! Let's follow this step to reheat Makanku side dish series. There are 3 different methods to reheat: steam, boil, and using a microwave. Steam. First, put the Makanku side dish into the steamer pot with boiling water inside. Steam for about 10 minutes until hot. Then take the side dish carefully. Boil. Second, boil Makanku side dish into the pot with boiling water inside. Boil for about 10 minutes until hot. Then take the side dish carefully. Microwave. Third, tear off the side dish package, then pour all the thing inside on the plate or bowl. Then, put it inside the microwave. Heat it in high temperature for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the side dish carefully. That's all. 3 different ways how to reheat Makanku side dish series. You may choose one method preferred from 3 of them mentioned. There you go! Makanku side dish series ready to serve.